Good morning, everybody. So, back on GU. So we were stating the fact that sorry about that. It's only my 15 alarms waking me up. Anyways, so we were stating the fact that as of right yet. Oh man, excuse me. We were still maintaining this uptrend structure on these lower time frames. And our main projection was negative 27%. We were pretty much still aiming for that. We still have not broke anything, to actually form a lower high point. Jesus Christ. So, but we gotta keep in mind today's actually NFP. So we're gonna, take a little bit of caution. We're seeing some exhaustion a little bit, but it doesn't really count. We can modify this fib just a little bit to actually get to we want to see our brain. Oh my god. My apologies. Up there. Well, what was I saying? We modify our fib and we are maintaining this main level of support for these uptrend that it's doing. So, and we just gotta keep in mind today's NFP. So, it looks like it's forming just a little minor higher low point right here, but I wouldn't say anything significant yet. Man, I'm really tired this morning. So yeah, nothing significant yet. Until it breaks this higher low point right here. GJ. So it looks like we could be hitting negative 27% today. Yeah, we're only 30 pips away, so that ain't nothing for GJ to be able to get to. We were also maintaining. I know everybody's gonna be yawning after this video. Maintaining this uptrend structure. We're staying after this one. So now the fact that it has obviously made new points. So yeah, as long as it maintains this, we're still aiming for that negative 27%. AU. So it looks like we are starting to form a higher low point right here. Well, obviously this is a higher low point right here. I wouldn't say it's significant yet, just because we have all this buyer's exhaustion still on this higher time frame, and we are looking like we are still maintaining a lower high still. So all of that it could have just been looking like H1 forming. So we do have this break right here. It's very minor. But it's nothing significant yet. Oh. Yeah. And we did break a nice counter trend line. So this could be gearing up to form a nice higher low point and then continuation. I'm also just being cautious because it did break a low level of resistance right here. So let's see what happens after NFP, to be honest, because this could just be gearing up for some sort of move. So either way, it has to break this. So if it breaks this area, we have a complete change in trend at that point, I would really say. H4, there's not really enough. It's too compact. I like this H1 a little bit more, or even H2. Yeah. So yeah, if it does break that, I would say the fact that we might be completely changing trend. So, but it's maintaining this downtrend right now. So let's not overthink it. And then US30. So no resistance yet, and we hit our TP1 based off this H1. If you look here, so we respect 23.6%, and we hit TP1. Yeah, and then on top of that, M15 is maintaining that's the same area, this uptrend structure. So we can even place some fibs. And just measure this possible counter trend. Right? So we don't even have room yet to even modify this fib because it never found any type of resistance yet. We definitely are coming up to this strong level right here. So, which does look like it has some sort of confluence with this M15 one. So let's just be cautious with this. But understand that if we're as long as it maintains this area, we're still good for this uptrend. So that's about it. Let's have a good day. Remember today is NFP, so we should be a little cautious there. And other than that, good trading. So peace.